Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.